Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS LTS, and Visual Studio Code. Once installed, enable the code command and path so you can open projects from terminal. Next, install the JavaScript and ESLint extensions to get language features and linting. Create a new project folder, open it in VSCode, and initialize npm with npm init so you have package, JSON. Make sure you save files with JS and use a simple hello. JS to test live editing and the integrated terminal. Now you wire up the developer tools. Install ESLint and Prettier locally and add basic configs. This enforces style and prevents runtime mistakes. Use the integrated terminal to run node hello. JS or npm run start and iterate quickly. Then set up a launch. JSON for node debugging, add a configuration and place breakpoints in your code. This gives you step-through inspection. Once done, use the Problems panel to fix lints, the Explorer to manage files, and the Run view to control debugging sessions. Finish by adding useful npm scripts for start and test, run your test suite, and confirm node versions with Node V to avoid mismatch. Commit your work with Git and push to a remote. Use branches for features. If things go wrong, check the Output and Problems panels first, then open Developer Tools in VS Code for logs. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable and re-enable extensions or reinstall a problematic extension. This often clears corrupted states and restores expected JavaScript support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.